Hi Jurassic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Bulbasaur from Pokemon Easy Chibi. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pokemon, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Going to come right across, kind of wide, say about right here, and draw another one. Now that we have the circle in, let's come to the top corner right here and draw another circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. Now that we have our eyes in, let's come in between and we're going to draw a soft curve about right here for the mouth. So just a soft, wide curve. And then, well, let's bring it up a little bit so it's more smiley. And then right here on the corner, I'm just going to put in a little tooth on both sides. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go above each eye and just draw a soft curve. Aw, so cute, right? Okay, so then now let's go to the side of our eye. We're going to start to draw the face. So to the top of where you start your eye, come out, let's say about right here. Just making it nice and wide. And we're going to bring in a curve. Let's do the same thing on this side, just like the other side, say about right here. And bring in a curve. And then let's just go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Then let's bring this up. And we're going to come in as we go up. So just going to drag a point across about right here. And connect. Okay, so now we have that in. Let's about the same level. Let's come over about right here. We're going to draw Bulbasaur's ears. So let's come up and round off the tip and bring it down. And I'll stop about right here because I'm still imagining this curve coming through. So about right here, go ahead and draw a curve for the top of the head towards the center, so say about right there, that much, and then I'll come about right here and draw the other ear, just like the other side, and in there. Okay, so then from there, let's draw some patterns on the head before I forget. So right in the center, we're going to draw a big one. So it's just this random kind of shape, like a rectangle kind of shape. And then in the center, we have that. Then come right here, we're just going to draw a smaller one. It's more triangular, and one more right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the body. So I'll come under the eye. So say about the center of this eye, I'm going to come down. And about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for the body. And the center of this eye, say about right there, come out. And we're going to draw the back. So just a very, very simplified body. Very chibi. And we're going to bring it all the way down. So now that we're about the same level, let's go ahead and work on this side. And bring this in. And about right here, I'll go ahead and curve it up. So for the first front leg, bring it right across. And say about right here, kind of like where this eye ends, about in this area, we're going to draw the other leg. So it's definitely before the head. So same thing right here. Draw another leg. And then we're just imagining this still coming through. And let's bring this in to draw the back. There. And we'll just draw 3 because the 4th one might kind of be in here, but we'll just leave it. It could get too messy to try to fit in the back leg. So we'll just pretend it's behind and you can't see it. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the bulb, right? The main part of Bulbasaur. So I'll start in the center right here, kind of in this area, right at his ear and the head. And I'll come up about right here. Give myself a zigzag, like a W, and bring it down. And then just imagine this coming through the ear. And about right here, I'm going to round it off. Round it in like a bulb. So then let's thicken this bulb. So come right next to it and just draw another zigzag. And come down, give it a little curve, and then round it off and bring it all the way down into here. There, nice round bulb, right? And one more. So same thing like this side. Let's go ahead and draw a zigzag and then just give it a little curve and bring it down. And now for some pattern. Oh, let's just make this come in a little bit more. There. Okay, so then now for the some pattern on Bulbasaur right here. Let's come right here and just draw this random shape. Maybe one here. A smaller one. Maybe one that's right here on the back, right here. And one more. So I'll make this like a heart shape. Of course, right? Because it's my draw so cute. Bulbasaur, Chibi, easy. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love all these Chibi easy Pokemon that I've been drawing for you lately, and definitely check out that playlist. And I hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.